China has shown the first footage of the Yinmahu platform, a semi-submersible vessel capable of carrying warships on its deck. Yinmahu, with hull number 834, has carried out trials of transporting the ship. The ship traveled nearly 1,000 nautical miles to several recently undisclosed locations. Military experts say the Yinmahu has a much bigger function, namely the withdrawal of warships that need repair or maintenance. Yinmahu is not just to deliver a well-functioning warship from one point to its final destination. The ship is more function to transport ships that cannot move due to damage to shipyard facilities for repair, in addition to saving a lot of time as well as costs. The Yinmahu can transport large warships, the size of a corvette, frigates even larger. In a photo circulating, Yinmahu is seen carrying a giant Zubr-class hovercraft obtained from Ukraine. Yinmahu itself is not the first ship to operate in the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy. The first semi-submersible platform ship, which was launched in 2015, was named Donghe Dao with hull number 868.